Welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Walmart app password quickly and easily so you can keep your account secure. First, open the Walmart app on your phone. Next, tap on the account option located at the bottom right. Then, go to Contact Info and Password. Now, look for the Password section and tap on Edit. Enter your current password in the first field. After that, type your new password in the next field. Finally, confirm your changes by tapping the Save button. By following these simple steps, you can update your Walmart password and make sure your account is safe. Always remember to choose a strong and unique password to keep your information protected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.